I think a good teacher is someone who has a sound technical knowledge of their field, but a great teacher is someone who can seamlessly motivate and encourage students to put in 100% effort. I went to the effort to nominate David because of the sheer amount of effort that he put in towards converting the course quickly to an online environment, and it actually turned into a unique and exciting learning environment that I hadn't experienced before.
I'm a big believer in universal design for learning, that's UDL, and it means that we open up education to any student, anywhere, from any walk of life. And what that meant was that in the past few years, I'd already done all of the work to make my courses suitable for students who were online, who weren't on campus. So when COVID came, I could have gotten away without really doing anything, but actually I used that space to try and push forward some next generation experiences, to kind of think about what's next.
I actually felt like I had a closer connection to my peers than I had in in-person courses, just because of the way the course was structured and taught online, and due to David and his team's commitment to the online process and developing strategies in order to get us collaborating in ways that we had never done before.
I didn't know the Student Choice Teaching Awards were happening this year. I got very caught up trying to work on so many projects with our remote learning and online learning projects, so it came as a delightful surprise to me. Well, it means everything to me to be nominated because it's the only reason we do this. It's for the students and for their experience. When they come forward and want to bring to light a great experience they had, it's the most meaningful outcome we can have.
Being taught by David has changed the way I see engineering in the world, because he just never takes no for an answer. If he sees a problem or an inefficiency somewhere, he does absolutely everything in his power in order to make it better. His attitude to constantly improving educational practices has actually inspired me to apply that to my own engineering practices.
I think more than anything, what we can give our students is inspiration and skills and the hope of making a contribution. I mean, that's what engineers are supposed to do. We're supposed to contribute to society. And I think it's really exciting being able to teach the next generation of engineers.